Good morning, class family. It's a wonderful Wednesday. Let's look at our message together, showing that you're a team and a class family. Follow along with your eyes and listen with your ears. Use your finger to point. Ready? Start in the top right-hand corner with today's date. April 3rd, 2024. Dear class family, today is Wednesday. We will learn a lot at school. First, we will learn letters and sounds. Next, we will go on Lexia and do literacy centers. Then we will learn new vocabulary to understand a book. Last, we will learn about shape poems and decide how our poem will look. It is a great day, love Miss Joyner. Oh, it is a great day. Okay, readers, we're going to look back and reread the message. Remember, that's what good readers do. They reread. They do this so their brain can understand the words on the page. Use your finger to point. Start in the top right-hand corner with today's date. I noticed we are on a brand new month after finishing our spring break. Do you remember what month comes after March? I see it written right here. There's a capital letter A, then P-R-I-L. What does that say? It does say April. If you knew that, great job. Notice the capital letter A to start. Good writers and mathematicians always capitalize the first letter of each month of the year because it's special and important. They also capitalize the first letter of each day of the week. As we are rereading, you're going to notice lots of uppercase letters. In class, we're going to circle all of those uppercase letters with a marker and circle punctuation marks. Okay, readers, let's reread. April 3rd, 2024. Dear class family, today is Wednesday. It is Wednesday, and it's a wonderful Wednesday. Notice the capital letter T that starts that sentence and the period at the end. Remember, good writers start sentences with capital letters and end with punctuation marks. We're going to see so many capital letters within the whole message. Look, there's a capital letter that starts every single telling sentence within our message and a punctuation mark at the end. Okay, readers, look at the second sentence. We will learn a lot at school. Oh, that's true, class family. We do that every day. Working on being a portrait of a graduate. We're practicing being a great communicator and collaborator. We're speaking clearly with our mouth, listening with our ears, and working on that every day in kindergarten. What else are we going to be doing today? Oh, first we will learn letters and sounds, just like we do every day at school. We'll be using so many resources to help pump our brains with knowledge, including our word wall with the foundations cards. We'll be going over the letters, sounds, the picture that matches that letter, American Sign Language, and the sight words as well. We have the kindergarten sight words we need to be able to know, read, and spell to be ready for first grade next year. We're going to be reviewing those today in kindergarten and using our sound wall as a resource. We have one in class and we have an electronic version on the smart board. We're also using UFly. We'll get our My Alphabet book and we'll go through all of the letters and sounds, and we're going to be doing so many other things, including phonemic awareness, tapping that beginning, middle, and ending sound, saying that whole word. It's going to be awesome. We're also going to practice writing those CVC words down too with a whiteboard and dry erase marker. It's going to be a great review. What a way back to get into school after our break. It's going to be awesome. Look at the next sentence. Next, we will go on Lexia and do literacy centers. Okay, class family, we're doing Lexia Core 5 reading program. You're going to log on independently to your iPads, pump your brains with knowledge, get your time, pass more units, and it's crunch time. We've got 50 days of school until first grade. So you only have 3 days this week for you to get your target met for your Lexia goal. And I know you can do it. So let's go ahead and do that and earn more certificates. We'll do some other centers within the classroom with teachers and some other individual centers, as well as reading books. Oh, then we will learn new vocabulary to understand a book. We will. We're going to learn some new vocabulary words. One of the words we're going to be learning is change. So we're going to be working on this word, and it's going to be in the book that we're focusing on for this week. We also have the word courage. So both of those words are going to be very important as we are reading the book. Change Sings. And this is by Amanda Gorman. So we're going to go ahead and learn two vocabulary words. We have change and courage. Okay, last we'll learn about shape poems and decide how our poem will look. We'll learn about shape poems, and we're going to be writing poems. And when you're making a shape poem, you're going to decide what kind of shape you're going to be doing for that poem. For example, look at this poem. What kind of shape is it? You're right, it is a ball, and this poem is actually called Balls. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to look at different shape poems in class. And this is just one example of what a student did for a shape poem. The student wrote a poem about balls and then decided to put the poem, all the words, in the shape of a ball. Okay? Oh, we're also going to be reading our new poem this week called April. All right? It is a great day. Love, Miss Joyner. It is a great day. Welcome back from spring break. It's fantastic. Get your fans ready. Fantastic. Our Do You Like question of yes or no answers for today is, do you like baskets filled with candy? Well, do you? Think about your answer and get ready to be a great communicator and share why. Do you like baskets full of candy or with candy?